Hey guys, we're back again talking about some of the various unconventional ways that you can use our Feynlab products. So today I believe we're talking about Pure Rinseless, and go ahead and take it from here.
So this is another product you probably have on your shelves because I know most people tend to gravitate towards the Pure Rinseless to wash their vehicles. So kind of like in the last episode when we talked about Overcoat V3 and using the original ceramic as, you know, a replacement product if you happen to need that. There are some other uses. There are lots of other uses actually that you can use Pure Rinseless for. So before we came out with our interior cleaner, you had to have something to clean your interiors with when you were detailing. And if you didn't want to go down and like buy some cheap product off the shelf or something, you needed something good or you ran out of something, you could actually mix up a bucket or a small container of Pure Rinseless and use it as an interior cleaner. It's got a lot of surfactants in it, so it cleans really, really well. Again, if you've got like deep staining or something going on, you always want to go back to interior cleaner because it's going to do the best for you. It's safe for all surfaces. It's not going to dry out leathers. It's not going to dry out your dashboards or anything like that. Safe inside and outside. Use it however you want to use it. And speaking of the outside of the vehicle, Adam's got a couple of ways to use it on the outside of the vehicle besides just as a rinseless wash.
Correct. So because there are so many surfactants in this, it makes it a fantastic waterless wash or kind of an alternative spray detailer. You can take approximately a 1/4 ounce to 32 ounce spray bottle and use it as a waterless wash on the exterior surface of your car. You could also use it as a foam cannon application with the soap and whatnot. So usually that's going to vary a little bit on your water and your foam cannon, but anywhere from about a 1/2 ounce to an ounce of Pure Rinseless to a foam cannon and the rest filled with water, and it's going to make a fantastic soap for the exterior vehicle surfaces. I think that concludes this one.
Just one more thing, just for a fun fact in there. I've actually used it to mop my floors at home. I can't give you a scientific ratio of how much I put in the water, but it actually mops floors very well. We'll see y'all next episode.